My name is Tatiana Elizabeth. I am here today to get a breast augmentation, revision. I'm getting my boobs redone just because I feel like I initially was a little afraid and I didn't go as big as I wanted to go. So now I'm excited to just get them to the size and where I want them to be. I had a baby, so I had my surgery a year after having him, and I just was too afraid for them to be too big, but I think I went a little too small. So with this surgery, I still don't want to go too big. I still want to keep it looking natural, but I'm gonna go a little bit bigger than what I have just to be able to fill out the space that I have in my boob because I did have a baby. And for me, I never was like insecure, aware of anything on my body until after having my baby. So my boobs were just like a little soggy. They were like, just not where I wanted them to be. And after my initial breast augmentation, they were still that. So I feel like I would dress a certain way or wear certain shirts or corsets or certain bras to, have the appearance of what I actually wanted to achieve. But now I'm just excited to just have that naturally-ish. So yeah, I'm really excited for that and to be able to just, have that confidence and go for it.
Plan today, we're going to remove the smaller implants. If you measure her base width, she's right around 12 and a half, and so she has a 215 in there, which is a little too small for her frame. That's why if you go too small, you get a little more of a gap here. So we're going to go with a bigger implant, which means a little bit wider, and we're going to tighten up the inside to give her a better cleavage and overall more of a result that matches her body, so stay tuned. So we're inside the implant pocket, and it's interesting, the mandrel of the implant is pointing up. So this implant has been put in upside down. Yeah, I can feel that right now. So we're going to take that out, take a look at it, and sure enough, it was upside down. It's a 215, and the problem is when it's upside down, it's flat, okay, and it doesn't look as round and as nice. So that's a problem. All right, so this one is actually upside down as well. So we're going to take this one out, have a look. Trying to keep this incision very small. Okay. So yeah, it's 215, and again, it was upside down when it needs to be like that. Also too small for her. Here we go, folks. So you can see what happens to an implant if it's upside down. The flat side is facing up. So what ends up happening is they kind of move around in the body and they start to fall off to the side. And that was her main complaint. They looked weird, and she had that big cleavage in the middle that she didn't like. So if this were to be turned around, it wouldn't be such a big issue. Not only that, but they used a moderate plus. Okay, so it's almost like a high profile implant, which if you're gonna go with a small implant, it's gonna also fall off on the side. So appropriate implant choice is number one. Okay, so we corrected that for her today. We went from this 215 up to 325, went from moderate plus down to moderate. I also did a couple other bonus things for her. So this is her, you see how that wide spacing is. I did a pocket suture repair on this side. So that way it brought the implants, even though the implants are wider, bigger, brought them closer together. I released in here as well, which gave implant space to go in that direction. And then we finish it up with a beautiful 5-layer closure so that she doesn't have a scar afterwards, or very minimal scar. That's it for our breast revision surgery. You guys, if you have any questions, please feel free to leave it in the comments. Also, you feel free to give me a thumbs up and hit subscribe if you want to see more cool videos just like this. Thanks for watching.
I have been loving my results, first of all. The recovery process has been so seamless. I didn't even take any pain medicine, no Tylenol, none of the stronger pain medicine either. I've just been trying to take it easy. I've been forcing myself to take it easy, but I looked at them, my 24 hours out when I took my shower, I looked at them and they're literally beautiful. It's perfect, so I'm so excited. You only live once, you're only young once. Why not have the body that you want and boost that confidence?
We are 6 weeks out from surgery. You guys remember we had the smaller implants. They were upside down. Did I tell you that? Yes. I told her that. I'm glad I told her that because it made them look weird, and it also made them drop off to the side, which contributed to that pocket loosening that we had. Okay, so we did that pocket tightening on the side. We swapped out the size, went a little bit bigger, put them in the right location and orientation, and then developed the cleavage here. So she's really happy with this. It's looking good at 6 weeks. We're going to check on everything and start massage today to further optimize the results. Full results right around 4 months. Stay tuned for that.